I will be going over what a candlestick is and exactly how to read it on the chart. For the most part, with candles, there's a winner and a loser. Every candlestick represents time. This is super important that you understand. Whichever chart you are reading, if it's a 15-minute chart, every single candle represents the price action in that 15-minute period. If you're on the hourly chart, it's the exact same concept. One candle represents 1 hour of time of price action. Now that you know what a candlestick actually is and represents, now it's time to show you how you read it. For example, the white candlesticks represent that buyers won that candle. And for the black candlesticks, that represents that sellers basically won that candle. By picking a random candle, we can see that sellers won this candle right here. The wicks represent the high and the low of the stock price that was traded in that exact area. As you can see, we are on the weekly chart. So this is the high of the week, and this is the low of that week. And as you can see, 1489, 1264. Now for the body of the candle, the top of it, when it is a red candle, the top of this candle, of this body, is the open of the candle. That is where price opened up to start that week of trading. Now the bottom of that body is where the candle closed, where the stock price closed at the end of the trading week. So we can see all within one trading week, the low of the stock went to 1264. It went all the way as high as 1489. It started the week at 1415, but it closed the week at 1348. So all in all, this was a bearish candle. It is the same exact thing for a bullish green candle, except the bodies are just flipped. As you can see for this green candle, the bottom of that wick were to be the low of that week. And then the bottom of the body would be the open, where stock opened up at the beginning of the week. And the close is the top of the body, where we ended up closing at the end of the week. And then we can see the high is the highest price that price touched during that trading week. So all of this represents 1 week of trading.